Hi friends and welcome to the Prompt Engineering Mastery course. In this lecture, I will share with you some key important points about the course, how it's structured, and what you are going to learn. If you go now and search the web for prompt engineering courses, you will find a lot of free courses like learnprompting.org, promptingguide.ai, promptengineering.org/learn. Even on Coursera, we have a free course, and we have this one by deep learning, and so on. These are really great and important resources if you want to learn prompt engineering. And I almost took them all. I learned a lot from these courses, but I'm not here to create a video version of these text courses or resell you the same content or repurpose the same exact courses. I'm here to provide something special based on ton of research and tests. I structured the course in a way that you will learn skills that you really have to learn to master prompt engineering and without wasting any single minute and starting from scratch. So what we will cover in this level of the prompt engineering mastery course. So first, you will learn the basics of prompt engineering in a simple and practical way. Then we will have a mini Python scripting course. Yes, if you don't know Python, you will learn it here and as fast as possible, as you will see. These are the first two parts that will make you ready to move on and start crafting and engineering the best prompts, building automation scripts, workflows, building reusable templates, and much more. Not only that, in this course, I will reveal a lot of secrets behind my online tools like Free AI Kit, Promoter Kit, the prompts I'm using, how I build them, and many other scripts and workflows for my own business. And by the end of this level, you will have all the knowledge and skills needed to craft the best prompts and workflows for your own business, for your own personal use, or if you want to monetize a skill, you can provide it as a freelancing service. So you can build a business out of this skill. And what's more important, you will be ready to move to the next level and to learn more advanced concepts like vector databases, prompt caching, like building your own libraries and tools, and even building your own GPT language model later on.